My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Lookup for Wikipedia. The developers of this extension indicate that it helps to search in Wikipedia through Google Chrome. The trouble with this extension is that it actually is often spread through integration with many free programs, so in many cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Even though it does not really change your default search engine, but this extension may periodically display ads not related to the site that you visit. And it also may replace the new tab periodically. So you may submit some search queries. You will still get the results by your preferred search engine, but this extension may still control some important settings and may even collect some browsing related data. So we recommend that you get rid of it by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions, then remove this extension right away. I also recommend that you examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.